Hello, this is Video Free American One, and I'm coming to you with something completely, totally different. I went to my brother's house today. It's Christmas Eve. Went up there to visit with him for a while, and he broke out this. Or we went to the mall, and he bought this little remote control helicopter, and we're just playing around, learning how to use it, and it's kind of cool. So just hope you enjoy it. All right, God bless.
Okay.
Whoop. Save the day. There he goes. Get out of here, dog.
Get your nose.
Turn the lights back on. I think it looks cool, the lights. Crashed. This doesn't make anybody dizzy. Whoever's gonna watch this film's gonna be real dizzy. Whoops. Ta-da! Right there.
Soft landing.
Spray from the boxes.
Go up.
All right. Yeah, it's running out. Must be running out of fluid, fuel or something. This is Video Free American One saying thank you for watching, and God bless you, and have a very, very wonderful Christmas. Bye. See you later.